Next up is Quentin Ciuro. Go ahead, Quentin Ciuro.
Yes. Hello, my name is Quentin. I called in before. I own a small business called Keys Tech Service, and I repair a lot of game consoles, laptops, and stuff like that. As a repairing device, we don't have schematics like we used to have back in washers, dryers, refrigerators, stoves. I talked about it. Help parents. These game consoles are going up in crazy price. $1,000. Get them repaired. And does a regular household have that money to spend on a new game console when it just basically fails on them? We don't have access to the schematics to be able to know the voltage levels on this chip or that chip, what chip it is. So we would like to have this bill passed to help Alaska people save money too. And if you have any questions, feel free to answer.
Thank you, Mr. Ciuro. Next